G'day! In today's video I've got a HP Omnibook 5 laptop AI. So this is a Intel variety. It's got a the model number is 16-AF1020TU. It's a 16-inch laptop, so it is reasonably large, and I'm curious about what can be upgraded inside this machine. So let's open it up and see for ourselves what can be changed. This one does also have a damaged 16-inch screen, so it was purchased with a broken screen. I paid around 400 Australian dollars for it, so the price wasn't too bad. It's probably going to end up costing about $600 all up once I get a new screen for it, especially if it's a touch screen, so I haven't found that out yet. Cool, that's popped. I'll keep going around. Hopefully it's all like this. And these, if I do try and actually pull them up as one piece, they tend to snap. So I will be cautiously going around. There we go. Now we're in. Righto. So already I am slightly disappointed with what I see. We have one HP battery, GD03XL. That's perfectly fine. We have all this space. We have a fan, a placeholder for a fan, which a bit odd. I don't think that is a standard thing. Actually, they did say they disconnected the display cable because the screen was broken and they were getting it to auto boot up. So that would have been lingering in there like so. But what the hell's going on here? We have fake fans. Do see the screen mention of OLED over here. Don't know if that's a separate cable or port that's meant to be soldered there. Anyway, we have one battery, one USB-A, one headphone jack on its own daughter board. Over here we have the reinforced Type-C charging port, so if you do accidentally break one, you could potentially use the other. If you break both or you short it out, you're a bit out of luck. If you do break both ports and haven't shorted it out, the whole board would have to come out to be removed to then replace them. The Wi-Fi card is over here and is upgradable if we want to. There's a Realtek RTL8852BE. Not sure which model that is exactly off my head, but that is a Realtek. We have one fan header here. Is that meant to be another fan header over here? I'm not seeing a spot on the board for another fan header. So that is somewhat disappointing. The other thing that really disappoints me is we've got a large 16-inch laptop here. We've only got one NVMe slot. So regarding upgradability, to me that is kind of a bit of an insult. But we probably could have moved this up here, moved it over slightly, the battery, and we've added to fit another NVMe just here. So really, not much that can be done about that. So even though we've got a 16-inch laptop, here we go. We've got model number KB60ZNV512G. So 512 gigabyte drive right there. We do have a thermal pad on the inside here. But yeah, the disappointing part is that we should be able to at least hopefully have two NVMe drives in here. We're a 16-inch laptop, for Christ's sakes. So seeing that is fairly disappointing. Especially this is, we see a build date down here of March 2025. So it's not exactly an older machine. So I'm going to suss out whether or not this is, what type of screen this has got in it and replace that. But sadly, looking inside, there's really not much that can be upgraded. Hope that helps you and saves you a bit of time. And I'll see you in another video. Bye.